Hi guys, very good afternoon. So, a quick video from my end to help you guys. First of all the very best for tomorrow's campus shortlisting. I hope and I pray you all get good companies. Beforehand, as you enter into your shortlisting phase, let me tell you one thing that please be very prepared with what are all your priorities, which industry you want to enter into, and before giving consent to any company I would suggest please be sure with what is the job description, what is the company doing, and I would rather suggest to connect to people who are working in that particular profile to let you know that what all work you will be doing in future. Because see, this is very important when you enter into a profile, when you enter into an organization and you start working, you slowly and gradually come to know that what were you expecting is not exactly what you are doing over here. It happens with many of us, be it me or be it someone else. I have experienced it on a personal note because we as a fresher do not know what are we going to do in a particular job. What we assume is the basis of giving a consent, but you should not do that because this is very important. See, if you enter into an industry where you do not want to work in future, that will be just a wastage of time. Personally, what I feel is, if for example if you enter into a banking industry and you after 3 4 months you end up realizing this is not a place where I belong, so then if you want to switch the industry you will be again counted as a fresher. They will treat you as a fresher. You will be at zero. At this point of time as a fresher you might feel that a job is very important, we need a job in hand, be it any job. But no, after a month you'll start realizing that this is not working for me. So beforehand you need to be very sure about the profiles. Personally, if it's about me, as far as I'm concerned, I'm working in Accenture solutions and I'm working at a SAP profile, SAP functional consultant profile. Let me tell you the job description over here so that in case tomorrow you get a shortlisting from Accenture, they are mainly hiring at 3 or 4 profiles for non-rankers or for second third attempt chartered. It is mainly into SAP functional consultant, it is into Oracle functional consultant, and it is into accounting analyst. They might introduce 1 or 2 new profiles or they might take away 1 or 2 profiles if there is no vacancy into it. I'll try to look into it tomorrow when the shortlisting starts, and if I have any idea about any profile, I'll try to reach out to you to tell you, or you can reach out to me through my Instagram page or to my LinkedIn page for any information you need. So let me introduce first of all my profile so that you get an insight to it. It is about business and arc integration analyst, which is SAP functional analyst, what they called it into in the campus. What all work you do over here is, see, you will be entering into the organization and then you will be given training into different modules like FICO module, GR module, like that is group reporting, BPC module, SAC module. There are various modules. You will be given training into it, and then you will be giving an exam on the basis of which you will get which module you are going to work into. That is the organization which is going to decide in which module you will be working into. Once in any profile, in any module you end up, you will be working as a functional consultant. The work of a functional consultant is not just to give consultancy but also to work on the system. Do not expect that if you are accepting this profile or any of the consultancy profile in IT companies, you will be only working as a consultant. No. You will be doing configurations, you will be entering into SAP system, and you will be doing that technical job as well. You need to set up things as well. That is more of a technical thing which we as chartered have not done in an articleship. That is not bad. It is good for those who are really trying to enter into IT world. It is really good. It has a good exposure as well, but that does not decide that you should enter it into or not. It should be your desire whether you want to work as a technical field or not. This is more of a technical work where you do configurations, you enter into the system, you face client as well, but then you end up giving solutions related to, say for example, if I am working in a group reporting module, I will be helping them what all fields are there in consolidation of financial statements, and I will be helping them with the configurations as well. So not just consultancy but also technical work. At times you might feel you're working as an engineer, at times you might feel you're working as a chartered. So do take do take into consideration all those things. As an accounting analyst, you more work into accounting work. There also you work as a consultant, but more in accounting field. If you come into Oracle functional consultant, that is also same as SAP functional consultant. It's just the software is different, the ERP is different. I'm working on SAP, few of my friends are working on Oracle. So this is all about what profiles I have seen. The other thing is more into FP&A. I have received many of the queries relating to FP&A profiles in various organizations. I'll come up with that in my next video. Till then, please be very aware of the job descriptions, be very aware of the decisions you take, and take a wise decision for yourself, because next 1 year is going to be depending upon what decision you take today. Also, one very important thing, that what all things you need to keep in mind while you're giving your interviews, I'll try to come up with that also in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.